Good morning, students. Today I want to teach you more about lines. We'll be studying parallel and perpendicular lines. This is lesson 2, page 879. So yesterday we learned a couple new words. We learned about a line. We learned about line segment, which is part of a line. We learned about a ray, which has a point and then one side keeps going. Today I want to teach you about parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and intersecting lines. So take a moment, look at those, and what do you see the differences are and the similarities? Yeah, good. So parallel lines are two lines and they're going parallel to each other, which means they're going in the same direction. Okay, so maybe if you're in San Francisco and you're downtown, you notice that the streets kind of go parallel to each other. So if you're if you're in the grocery store and you're looking for your mom and you're in one aisle and then you look in the other aisle and the other aisle, they're all going the same way. Those are parallel lines. Perpendicular lines are when they cross in the middle and they make a 90-degree angle. So a 90-degree angle would look like that. So if you can make a 90-degree angle with your arm like this. Ding, ding, 90-degree angle. Okay. Those are perpendicular lines. So perpendicular lines, maybe if you're at a stop sign and you're going one way and somebody's going the other way, four-way stop sign, those are perpendicular lines. And there's also intersecting lines, and they just like intersect each other. They don't have to have a 90-degree angle. These are lines that intersect or they cross over. All right, good. So we're working with parallel and perpendicular lines today. If you haven't already, please open your books to page 879. Will you put your finger on the word parallel? Go ahead. Let's read that together. Ready, read. Parallel lines are always the same distance apart. They do not meet or cross each other. Very important about parallel lines. So parallel lines, that's why you have to call for your mom in the grocery store. Hey, Mom, where are you? Because they do not intersect. But if you're at a street corner, you would see your mom because they would intersect. Mom, oh, you're right there. Okay, good. All right, go ahead, turn the page. Okay, you see these key concepts here? These are what we reviewed. Intersecting lines, they're crossing, they're intersecting. The AB line intersects the CD line. Let's trace the CD lines with our fingers. Ready, go. CD. Good. Now let's trace the AB lines. Ready? AB. Good. So we have intersecting lines. And below, perpendicular. The symbol means square corner. Square corner is a 90-degree angle. Good. All right. Let's keep going. Practice. Do you remember learning about this in 3rd grade? Yeah. Good. Okay, independent practice. Describe each figure. I'm going to show you how to do a couple of these, and you're going to do this on your own at home today. Okay, let's read the directions together. Ready, read. Describe each figure. Use parallel, perpendicular, intersecting. Use the most specific term. So you're going to look at the lines and then write what kind of lines are they. So we have our notes, and you have your notes too, and the key concepts. So you can look here. These are parallel lines, these are intersecting lines, and these are perpendicular lines. So let's do one together. Describe each figure. Use parallel, perpendicular, intersecting. So these two lines, do they cross? Yes. Do they cross at a 90-degree angle? I don't know. I don't really remember what 90-degree angle is, so I'm going to look here. Okay. Does this look like this, parallel? No. Do these look like intersecting? Well, kind of. So maybe it's that. Let's see the last one. Do these look like this? No way. So these are intersecting lines. So I'm going to write intersecting. Good. And then you're going to go ahead and do number 3. Okay, let's look at number 4. Draw an example of each figure. Ooh, a challenge. Accepted. DE, parallel. Do you see that? They don't write the word for you. They just draw the lines. So D and E, okay, are parallel. So I'm going to like this. D, E, there's my points. Parallel to F, G. And that's that. RS intersects TU. Okay, so for number 6, it's a right angle. And number 7 is parallel. You'll complete that page and the back, and you'll work on your homework pages today. All right, mathematicians, remember to do extra math today and IXL recommendations, and have a great day.